Hi, today we are going to see demo for credit card production app PHP web application. So first open the XAMPP control panel. Then start the Apache and MySQL. Next go to the MySQL admin. Then you can view the backend database on these tables. Next go to the Visual Studio. Here you can first explore the folder, then you can view the addressing files and the source code. Then go to the readme text. Here you can view the login details and the browser link. So copy to paste the browser link. Now we can view the credit card production app web application. First log in the admin. Enter the email ID and password. Then log in the admin homepage. Now we can view the modules. First go to the complaint. Here you can view the all complaint reports on this page. And then you can see the complaint status. Next go to the all status. Here you can view the complaint status on this page. Then go to the category. Here you can view the all complaint categories on this page, and then you can add a new category and then you can update and delete. Then go to the officer. Admin can add here new officers on this page. So enter the officer's details, then submit. Next go to the update officer. Here you can view the all officers details and you can update and delete. Then go to the add edit bank. Here you will be see the all bank details and then add a new bank and you can update and delete the bank list. Next we will move for the user login. So enter the user email ID and password. Now login successfully. First go to the create complaint module. Here you can raise your complaint on this page. So select the bank name, then select the complaint categories, then raise your complaint. Next go to the my complaint. Here you can view the complaint status on this page. Next you can give the rating. Next we will move for the officer login. So enter the email ID and password. Now you can view the bank homepage. First go to the complaint module. Here you can view the all complaints on this page and then you can check to update the status. Then my profile is used to edit your bank details. That's the whole card production app PHP web application.